In this video, I am going to show you how you can submit any of your WordPress or Wix website or the Webflow website or any of your CMS based websites to the search console so that your website will get indexed into the Google search results. So in order to do that, what you actually have to do is to copy the URL of your website, and then what you want to do is to go to Google and search for Google Search Console. So once you will search for Google Search Console, this kind of page will appear, and from here you can simply click on Google Search Console. Don't worry, the language is different here, but you will see the same option. Here it says get started, so click on the get started button here, and from there right here what you want to do is to insert the URL of your website. So make sure you insert the URL here and not there. This is domain level and this is page level. So insert the URL here and then click on this button. And once you will click on this button, this process will get started. You will see this process going on this way. From here, just copy this HTML tag. You can also use the Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager if you already have an account. So in my case, I don't have an account there. And this is one of my clients' websites. So what I will do is to copy the HTML code. So if you are using a WordPress website, for example, what you want to do is to go to your WordPress website and then install the header and footer plugins from the plugin section, and inside there you can insert this HTML code. But right now I am using the Wix website, so let me just show you how you can do this in the Wix. I will also show you how you can do this in WordPress as well. So right here you can see I am already logged into the WordPress website of my client, and what you actually want to do is to hover over this marketing and SEO, and from here you actually want to click on this SEO button here. Once you will click on this SEO button, this page will get loaded, and from this page you have multiple options there. So you can check the SEO checklist by Wix, or you can do some SEO settings, updating your meta tags and meta description for the pages. You can also go through website inspection tool as well and understand how the Google view your pages. If you want, you can add the 301 redirects from there, URL redirect manager, and right here there is the option that we are actually interested in, that is called website verification. You can also submit or create a sitemap in the Wix from this option here, and if you want you can do the robot.txt file from here. But right now we will click on this website verification here. Once you will click on this website verification, here you will see a list of search engines that are available inside the Wix. So we are actually interested in Google Search Console, so click here and you will see this option. Here it will ask you for the HTML tag that we have generated in the Google Search Console. So I will paste that tag here. Just to confirm, you can go back to the Google Search Console and here you will see this HTML tag. Just click here on the copy button and copy this. And then once again you can go back into your Wix account, and here you can see I have pasted this HTML tag here. Once done, you can click on this submit button, and once you will submit this here, you can see that you have added a verification meta tag into your website, and here you will see a check mark. From there you can go back into your Google Search Console account, and then you can click on this confirm button right here. Once you will click on confirm button, the Google will automatically start detecting this, and if they detected the HTML tag that you have inserted in your Wix website, then you will see this success message. And once you will see this message, you can click on this view property button here, and once you will click on this view property, this kind of dashboard will get loaded, and here you will have this kind of pop-up right here. You can click on the start button and it will start walking you through all of these options. So once you will do that, in order to do the entire indexing for your website, like for the Google to index all the pages on your website, you actually need to get the sitemap from your website. So here you can see there is the domain name of my website, and here I will have to insert the sitemap that we will generate within the Wix website. So in order to generate the sitemap, you can go back to Wix, and then you can once again go to this SEO tab. Here you can see that whether you want to leave or whether you want to stay. I can click on this leave button because we already have confirmed this inside the Google Search Console. So here is the sitemap. Click on this button here where it says sitemap, and here Wix automatically create the sitemap for you whenever you create the pages or delete the pages or modify anything related to SEO on the pages level, it will automatically get updated for your sitemap that Wix is generating. So it is really easy to do SEO in terms of sitemap in your Wix account. So you can click on this button right here, and once you will click on this button here, you will find the sitemap. In my case, this is my domain name /sitemap.xml. So I'll copy the entire URL from the URL bar, and then I'll go back in the search console account. I will insert it here, and now I want to remove this part from here, and then I can click on this send button or the submit button here. And once you will do that, here you will see this message that the sitemap is already submitted. Click on this OK button, and here you will find your sitemap, and here you can see the status. Let me just translate this page for you. So here you can see it says successful, and if I click here you will see this option right here that says sitemap index process without any errors. So our sitemap has been indexed successfully. We'll actually have to wait until Google crawlers will go to our website and crawl our website. Now let me just show you how you can insert that HTML tag into your WordPress website. So in order to do the sitemap, the HTML code in the WordPress website, what you actually want to do is to log into your WordPress website. From here, go to this plugin section and then click on add new plugin. From here, you can search for WP code. This is the plugin that you actually want to install, WP code. Click on this plugin and then click on this activate button. Once you will click on this activate button, here you will see this option code snippets. Click on the code snippets here, and here you will see these default code snippets. What you actually want to do is to click on this add new button, and inside the add new button you can click on add your own custom code. So click on use snippet, and once you will click on use snippet, here you can copy and paste your HTML tag. So I already have pasted the HTML tag in the Wix, so it is not going to work. And here you can name it as sitemap. Here I can just write in a dummy HTML code. That's it. Once done, you can click on this active button and then you can click on save snippet. Once you will do that, your HTML code snippet will be added into your WordPress website, and then from there you can go back to your Google Search Console account and you can start verification. I hope that you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell icon to always get the latest video updates. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.